It's Saturday today and I'm on my way to Bray to the market. It's pretty cold out, but I quite like when it's nice and frosty. Yeah, so it takes a while to get out to Bray, so hopefully I'll be there in around an hour and a half, I think. I'll be there just a little after the shop opens. Yeah, so I will bring you along and I'll record what I can. I have to look at the ground when I'm walking because it's so icy. I've got on my big Topshop fluffy jacket that I got a good few years ago. It's the best thing. I discovered it in my wardrobe again. I was like, oh, I have to wear that. Just at the train station now. There's a train in like a minute, which is brilliant timing. So halfway there. So Sunday morning and I'm heading off to my second market of the weekend. I'm just dropped into the studio to collect all the stuff. In a bit of a rush, so what I'll do is I'll bring the camera along anyway and I'll film the setup when all that's done. But yeah, just running out to the car now. Cool. Wearing one of the collars. Yeah, it's going well. It's quite busy. Yeah, enjoying it. So it's Monday today. I've just got in and it's just started lashing, so I got in at just the right time. Yesterday was the market, which is my second last. I've got one more market to do on Wednesday, which is like an evening one. But yeah, that was the last of the, like, I did 3 Sunday markets, so that was the last of that one. Today I've got an order to pack and send. I want to kind of get ready for the market on Wednesday. Ideally I'd like to have a few patches. I think they might go down well, so I'm going to try and work on getting patches ready for Wednesday. So that's kind of the plan for today. And also clean up after getting back in from the market. I think you can see over there I haven't unpacked my rails or anything, so yeah, I have to do all that because I just dumped everything here yesterday. So I think that's going to be my plan for today. Tidy up the studio. Well, actually no, get the order ready and tidy the studio, and then get some patches ready for the market on Wednesday. Yeah, that's going to be my main plan. I probably will have to post on Instagram at some point as well, because I don't know when the last time I did a post was, or a reel. Actually, I think I have a reel edited, so maybe I'll put that up. in a minute. Don't need to make coffee today because I brought in a flask, which is great because then it's just ready to go. Okay, let's go. So I have made my gift bag for the order, and then this is the order. It's one of the hand warmers from last year, so this was bought from my kind of archive online, and yeah, it's going off to America. Again, these can be worn like crossbody and then snuggly. So I'm going to get that packed up and into the post office as soon as I can. It is 3 o'clock I think now, so yeah, so we'll get that done now and then come back and get on with the other stuff. I have the order packed and ready to send, so I'm going to run around. So I'm back from the post office and I've also just put everything back on the rails and out of the bag so that it's all organised. It's a lot later now. So I'm going to jump into starting to try and get some patches made for the market. Yeah, I'll show you the stuff on the rail as well now that it's all unpacked too. So everything's unpacked. These are all the pieces that I had at the market, which were from spring summer. Yeah, these pieces were all from spring summer this year, so I brought them along as archive. That's a piece from autumn winter last year I think. This is new work, sneak peek. These are new skirts here. Sneak peek again, and all the collars are back up there and the bags are there. So I'm going to start working on the patches now.